In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 rules for entrepreneurs to work less and accomplish more. You may believe that if you want to achieve more throughout the day, you need to invest more time working. For many new entrepreneurs, they adopt the mindset that more work equals more results. However, in many cases, working more can actually damage the amount of work that you can get done. It is far better to work smarter. Here are 5 rules every entrepreneur should follow if they want to work less and accomplish more. The 80-20 rule. This rule suggests that a small amount of input will contribute to a much larger output. Utilizing this rule means you have to minimize the time you spend on the unproductive 80%. While you can't merely cut everything that doesn't contribute to the bottom line, the purpose of this rule is to force you to be ruthless in reducing time spent on those activities that contribute little. Parkinson's Law. According to Parkinson's Law, work will fill the time available for its completion. This ends up being a side effect of only focusing on doing the work rather than completing projects. Give yourself strict deadlines and begin to cultivate a desire to finish projects rather than merely checking off tasks on your to-do list. Energy management. Energy management forces you to think of your results as a function of energy as opposed to time invested. Intensely working for a short period will allow you to accomplish more than if you worked for days, distracted and tired. Avoid working yourself into low energy because it can make you achieve less than if you were rested. Use sharp tools. Don't waste your time and energy working on things if you don't intend to be excellent at it. Delegate those projects and tasks to someone who does have a sharp tool. If there are things you want to master, make the time to sharpen the tool beyond what is necessary to learn the skill. Rule with numbers. The most significant waste of time is assumptions when your intuitions about the world don't match up with the way it works. You will never be efficient. To combat false assumptions, you have to test them and follow them up with real numbers. The results of a test can end up saving you hundreds of hours. As an entrepreneur, your time is valuable. Utilize these 5 rules to help you manage your time better, so you can work less and accomplish more. With strong time management skills, you can increase your chances of finding success.